Hi friends, my name is Amar Singh and today we are going to talk about reading comprehension. For the sake of brevity, you may call it RC. Reading comprehension for GRE or GMAT is a very important section. Reading comprehension passages can broadly be divided into three categories. First, natural sciences, which include astrology, biology, geology, paleontology, etc. Second, social sciences, which include history, political science, civil rights, etc. And third, business related. Time is a very important factor even in reading comprehension in GRE or GMAT. On an average, you get a little more than 1 minute to answer each question in reading comprehension. Hence, for doing good or doing better in reading comprehension, whether for GRE or for GMAT, you need to pace up. You need to read the passages very fast and answer the questions accordingly within the stipulated time. For this, we will discuss two techniques of rapid reading, which are skimming and scanning. Let's first talk about skimming. Look, whenever we read, we have to read it very fast. It's a different thing when you sit with a newspaper in the morning and a cup of tea in hand. And when you are tackling GRE or GMAT passages. So in the latter case, you have to read very fast, and for that, I'll discuss with you skimming. Skimming is a rapid reading technique in which you read the passages very fast. There are two types of reading. One is horizontal reading, in which you read from left to right, and the other is vertical reading, in which you read from top to bottom. So during the exam, whether GRE or GMAT, you should read vertically. So most of us are in a habit of pronouncing the words while reading. I won't recommend you to do that. While reading, we should not pronounce the words and we should not read the words. Rather, we should read the sentences. When we read the sentences from top to down and in a very fast way, we can cover the whole passage within 2 minutes. And once we have skimmed through the passage, then we'll go for scanning. For scanning, you can go to the questions one by one. You can come back to the passage and you can scan the passage for the given answer. Since you have saved time while reading the passage very fast, you can say during skimming, so you have a little more time for scanning the passage, and in more comfortably you can scan the passage for the answers and locate the answers. So it's very easy for you when you save your time while reading in the first instance and attempting the questions later on in reading comprehension. As I said earlier, time is a very important factor in GRE or GMAT. So we have to be very active. In other words, we have to attack the passage. We have to be literally on our toes. Not literally, but you can say you have to be completely active while reading the passage. And in that sense, we have to attack the passage. Attacking the passage means while reading through the passage, we have to read the passage very carefully, and while reading, we should keep it in mind many things. First, what is the theme of the passage? Second, what is the scope of the passage? Third, what is the tone of the passage? And fourth, what technique has the author used in development of the passage? Now we'll discuss the types of questions. The types of questions which are asked in GRE or GMAT may follow into different categories. The first and the most important type is main idea. Wordings of the questions may vary. For example, it may be like, what is the main idea primary concern, or the passage is primarily concerned with, etc.